All right, YouTube. Here is my 2023 Toyota Tundra. I really did not want to make this video, but I am in battles with Toyota right now to try and get this thing fixed. I sold my 2022 Ford Bronco Sasquatch package to get a vehicle that I thought would last me a lifetime. I've always been a Toyota fan. As you can see, I'm a Toyota fan. Got a Lexus CT200H. A Prius. I've also got an 18 Corolla, a 22 Prius. I am an enthusiast through and through, so I thought that this vehicle would be just that. Something that would last me a lifetime. So I'll run you down the issues that I've been having with this truck. First and foremost, the biggest problem that I had when I first purchased the car was I was getting a rumble from accelerating anywhere from about 68 to 75 miles an hour. I did not know what that rumble was. And I contacted my original dealer and was like, hey, there's a sound that's happening from 68 to 75 miles an hour. And they said, oh, don't worry about it. It's a new truck. It just is it's a part of the, break-in period or whatever. I said, okay, not a problem. They said they'd check it out when they come in and get the first oil change done. So I went in, got the first oil change done. Didn't check to see if they had looked at it or diagnosed, so that was on me. But I drive it down to Arizona from Oregon, and I have an issue. The torque converter goes out. I go to get an oil change, and the torque converter goes out on the vehicle. So they try and say, hey, this is going to cost you $3,000 to get this torque converter replaced. We're not going to be able to do it under warranty. And I knew that was false because it was leaking transmission fluid. Not a good thing, not a good sign. In any event, they ended up deeming it as a warrantable item, if that's a word, warrantyable. Anyways, they went ahead and did it under warranty, but being that I was just moving to Tucson, I did not have a place to stay, so I ended up having to get a hotel for almost 2 weeks, and it really put me out. It was a big ordeal. So now the truck, when that had happened, I still continued to talk with them about the issues. I brought it back in for another problem that I had, which was this lumbar support here, or I should say thigh extension support, was not working. You'd press the button and it just wouldn't move. So I contacted them. They changed out something in the cage. They said that there was an issue, manufacturer defect. They covered that. Not a problem. Very nice. And at that time, they went ahead and checked out what that rumble was and said, oh, it's because of your lift kit. It's because of the front drive shaft's positioning, which was incorrect. And come to find out, it's been a very common thread for these third-gen Toyota Tundras for that to happen to them. So I've been battling them left and right, trying to tell them, hey, listen, this has been a problem with these trucks. A lot of people are having those issues. And they came back and said, you know what? It's because of your lift kit. The rear diff has metal shavings in it, just like every other Tundra that's on, or every other third-gen Tundra that's having this issue. It's the same thing. And they're not going to warranty it for me. They're stating that it's because of this lift kit. And so, yeah, I'm kind of just chasing my tail. They also, I told them that when I was listening to music here, that I was getting rattles and shakes from these crappy plastic doors, and this is just built like crap. It doesn't feel like Toyota. You expect something built properly when you buy a Toyota. That's why you go this route. But they took it apart. They did fix the cracks and squeaks. But if you look, they just put shims and everything. So there's a shim here, so this doesn't line up properly. I'm sure that they put some sound dampening inside of the actual door itself, but it looks like crap. The build quality on the inside, again, is just not up to par. They gave me a 4Runner to utilize while this was in the truck. And I think that if you're going to be buying a Toyota of any kind, get something that's been assembled in Japan. I believe these are assembled in either Mexico or the US. I'm not too sure, but nonetheless, it's from North America. And the build quality on the Japanese built 4Runner is night and day. So yeah, I'm trying to fight with Toyota to get this truck fixed. As a Toyota fan, again, I'm super disappointed, and I love everything about this truck and was hoping to have a nice, reliable vehicle for the rest of my life, and it's been nothing but problems. It's been in the shop almost as much as it's been on the road. But yeah, I just wanted to have a quick video for you guys stating that they're trying to blame everything on the lift. They tried to blame the torque converter on the lift. They tried to blame the rear differential on the lift, and the torque converter, maybe okay, but they warrantied that out, which was great. But now they're trying to blame that rear differential on the lift, and it's a very known issue with these third-gen Toyota Tundras. So I'm bummed. I just wanted everybody to hear my story here, and hopefully either we can lemon law this out or they warranty it, and I can get something that's going to last me a lot longer that's built in Japan. That's it for now. Thanks for listening. Deuces.